Hi, it's Kev. I'm about to show you how to use Red Hat Satellite Server 6 to provision your server and then immediately and automatically make a callback to Ansible Tower in order to run a job template. This allows us to use the strength of Satellite Server's PXE provisioning and kickstart functionality right along with Ansible Tower's powerful API calls. In the kickstart itself, we place a few lines that will trigger the callback, but that service runs only once on the first boot of the server. We're also passing a parameter to tell the server to reboot after the playbook completes. We do this because we can reuse this playbook and run it all the time, not just at first boot. This is made possible because Ansible playbooks are made to run idempotently, able to perform in a way that is unchanged in value when run multiple times. We set up a provisioning callback to the Ansible Tower job template, allowing it to be requested externally. After the first time this playbook runs, that value will no longer be passed, meaning that this standardization playbook can be run against every server in the farm every minute without causing us problems. And this callback action is very simple to place in the post section of a standard Red Hat kickstart. Once the kickstart completes, we see that the Ansible Tower provisioning callback has been requested by the newly built server. We can see the status of the running job template and each individual task as they occur in the Ansible Tower jobs list. At this point, the Ansible playbook is running in the background, performing the functions we've defined to make this server meet our standards. This includes a set of specific security packages, some configuration files specific to our internal server's needs, as well as a custom PXE issue and PXE MOTD. Because we've designed this playbook to reboot at the end, the server will reboot on its own and come back with the new PXE issue banner. In our case, this is how we'll know the playbook is complete. Now that the server is booted, we SSH in to see the changes. At this point, this server meets our standardization criteria for our server environment. We can confirm this through the logging of Ansible Tower. This standardization was accomplished by an extremely basic Linux kickstart through the Red Hat Satellite Server, plus a standardization playbook that is run against all of our environment to ensure that the standards have been set and will stay in place. Any unauthorized changes or deviations from our Ansible enforced standard will be repaired and standardized automatically. Here we see the custom PXE issue we created with our corporate warning. The name and domain fields were automatically populated by Ansible templates based on the actual information on this server. Likewise, our PXE MOTD splash is set so that when we log in, we can instantly tell that this is a server that has been run through our standardization playbook. Templates and examples you see here are available at the link in the description area of this video.